Maurice here, back for another PowPack training. I want you to watch this video all the way through. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get social media marketing clients by picking up the phone. And I want to answer a question. Does cold calling work? Let me show you that it does. Check this out.
Hello?
Yeah, is this the painter?
Yes, sir.
All right. I had found your ad online. I had a question for you.
Okay.
Yeah, I was wondering, are you interested in generating some painting leads for your business?
Painting leads?
Yeah, we generate painting leads on social media, and I'm looking for a painter that can handle about 2 to 3 calls a day. I found you online, so I know you are looking for business. Do you only use Craigslist right now to get results, or what else do you do?
I use Home Advisor and other guys, other company.
Okay, well, you're gonna love what we do. It's more exclusive than Home Advisor. How big is your?
I stopped Home Advisor.
Oh, okay, cool.
For 3 months.
Yeah. Why did you stop them?
Because of its too much charge.
Exactly.
Like small projects.
Uh-huh.
And it's not compared. It's not good for me, and I stopped.
Exactly.
And I go with the other guys. I pay maximum $45 per project.
Okay.
It's interior or exterior, all house is 45 maximum.
Yeah.
If all job. If small job, started from 22 to 45.
Uh-huh.
It's good.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let me ask you this. I mean, let's just kind of get rid of the elephant that's in the room. And that's just a couple things. Number one, how big is your crew as far as what can you guys handle right now? I know it's going to start to get real busy with nice weather. Me and you both know that because I've been in the painting niche for a long time.
I'm so sorry to interrupt you. I'm doing a bids for like government jobs. Between that, if I'm not busy, I take that small that houses.
Yeah. Okay. How many? How many can you guys do if you're busy? If you're not busy?
I'm doing like a week 2 house.
Oh, okay. So you can handle about two to 3 jobs a week.
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
2 house.
Do you have a full crew?
Yes.
Oh man, that's great. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'll send you some information about what we do, and how many jobs we can get you, and some other testimonials. But the elephant in the room that I wanted to discuss, number one, is we charge you weekly. Okay, so it's not per lead. And typically, I mean, our prices aren't cheap, but they're not expensive either because we get you 100% results. So if you want us to target commercial, we can target commercial. If you want us to target residential, we can also target residential. Okay. And
please send you have my email address?
Yeah, hold on. Let me grab that. And what is your best email address?
@yahoo.com.
And your name's Gary?
Yes.
Okay. And then Gary, this is what I would like to do. I'm going to send you the information. And can I follow up with you Monday? And then if you like what you see, we can get the phone ringing typically within a week. And then we can target any area that you guys want. I know you probably want interior and exterior sprays. Is that correct?
How much you charging per week?
Typically, we have 3 different packages. Our smallest package is $250 a week. And then we have a high package as much as $1,000. But that's for the big guys that want a lot of business. But they start off as low as $250. Okay, and most people go with that because they know they get 1 or 2 jobs. They done made their money back for 2 or 3 months. So it just depends on what you want. Okay, want to invest in the business. So what'll be a good time to kind of touch bases with you, and we can kind of discuss the details on Monday.
I can tell you because if I have a partner, I'm supposed to talk with him. To send the paperwork, please, and after that we will talk with the partner and we'll decide how we.
Yeah, but I'll still follow with you Monday to see what you thought, and then if you want to meet with a partner, we can also do that. But I'm still going to follow up with you just to make sure you got the information and it interests you, because here's the bottom line. If I get you a couple jobs a week, you could be looking at, $10,000, $20,000 a week operation. So this is serious. So I will follow up with you. I'm just wondering, what's the best time?
That's the same at 250 for commercial jobs?
It just depends. It depends, what we're going after. If you want commercial, we could go after commercial. It depends on what you want. So, so that's why this is what I'm going to do, Gary. I don't want to take that much more of your time. I'll send the information. I'll get back with you Monday morning, and then me and you can both figure out exactly the areas and what you want, and then you can get your business partner, and we can put our heads together and let's make money. We don't have time to play, okay? Okay. I'll call you Monday, Gary. Thank you. Okay. Booyah! Woo! That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. People around here playing around talking about cold calling doesn't work and cold calling is this and that. Your boy Maurice show you how to get it done. That's how you guys do it. Did you see how I took it away and I even gave him price? Now, this is something new I just wanted to throw in. That was a twist. Normally, I don't say price. A lot of you guys might be baffled. You really don't want to do this unless you know what you're doing. But there was a lot in this, in what I said. It was a lot. Okay, so let me just pull out a few things to help you guys. I know you're excited. You're salivating, and you want to get results like this. I know you do, so relax. I'm going to hook you up and get you going in the right direction, okay? Now, the reason why I did this, number one, was to train you guys, to show you. Sometimes if I want, I'll throw price out there. Because here's what I'm doing. I'm either qualifying and disqualifying. If he would have said that was too much, that's not the client I'm looking at. Now, notice that my small package was essentially $1,000 a week. I said $250. And then we have packages as high as $1,000 a week. That means I have $4,000 a month packages. Okay, he was fine with that. If he wasn't fine with it, he would have got off the phone. Okay. Number two, he was already doing business with Home Advisor, and I know Home Advisor charges a lot of money, so I was excited about that. He got rid of Home Advisor, but I also know that he sold on marketing. Okay, now he's spending about $45 a lead. That's fine. I don't care about that. That's just a base price for me to get him in the door. All right, painters make a lot of money. I knew I could say $250 to $1,000 a week, depending upon what you want. Okay, that's predicated upon their own selfish desires. Remember, business owners are in business to make money. They don't really want to. Notice that I didn't really say too much about Facebook and Google, because that's what I'm gonna put them on, Facebook and Google. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna run specials on Facebook, and then I'm gonna set him up on Google. Okay, or either my outsourcers. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Set him up on those two platforms and get his phone ringing, and we're gonna make a ton of money. I'm gonna upsell him and everything. But my point is, I threw him a litmus test and he passed it. He didn't jump off the phone. All right, it kind of hit him in the belly. He probably calculated, well, that's $1,000 a month. He might have done that, but if he couldn't afford it or whatever, he was, I'm not interested, and got off the phone, and I would have wanted that. All right, so that's my strategy as far as if I want to play with people, and I was just pretty much playing with him. All right, my approach was good. All right, I always smile when I make calls. All right, and that's very important. A lot of you guys don't have objections. You're not ready, and that's why cold calling doesn't work. You guys don't have the right scripts, the rebuttals, and the rebuttals to get you over the objections that you're gonna encounter. Now, here's something else. You gotta listen. You have to listen if you're gonna be successful with making calls. You gotta listen. All right, you gotta hear. He said he does government jobs, and he does about 2 residential jobs a week. That's great. I can get him 2 or 3 a week or a month. It doesn't matter, because I already know. I know a little bit about his niche too. Okay, I know about the painting niche. I know that they make a lot of money, because when I threw a number out there, he was like, "Is that for commercial or residential?" I said, "It depends on what we get you. It could be either or. It just depends on the size of the house or the building that you could possibly paint." Okay, so I was basically essentially baiting the hook with what the business owner wants to hear. He doesn't want to hear about Facebook ads. A lot of you guys are trying to choke the baby with a steak when the baby only accepts a bottle. Okay, when you're making phone calls, make sure you got a bottle so you can go rock my baby and you get that money, you get that client. But if you stick steak in that business owner's or that baby's mouth, he's gonna choke, he's gonna gag, he's not even gonna be able to eat it. Okay? And so my point is, you want to give the babies, which are the business owners on the phone, what they like, and they like leads, phone calls, customers, RI. They want to make money, all right? That's what they want, and you have to talk their language. I got his email address. I'll follow up with him. That was a little rocky, and I kind of smoothed that out. Notice how I was assertive. I said, hey, this is what we're gonna do. Notice he wasn't defined. Notice the tonality in my voice. I said, hey, because he started to waver and talk about a business partner. We'll get to that later. I just want you to look at the information, and if it makes sense, then we can go to your business partner, get him on the phone, and close the deal. All right? But as of right now, I'm following up with you on Monday, and we're going to see if this is something you want to do. And if it's something you want to do, I'm going to charge you a setup fee, and I'm going to charge you $1,000 a month for my services to get you leads for your painting company. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Setup fee may be $500. Setup fee may be $600. Setup fee may be $400. Just depends on how we talk and dialogue. But that's on the follow-up. That's what I typically do on the follow-up. A lot of you guys asking what I do on the follow-up. The follow-up is just as easy as the approach. You ask questions, let them know the pricing, you send them the paperwork, and you close the deal. That's what you do, okay? So guys, check this out. If you guys want to elevate to the next level, you have to pay your dues, okay? You have to do cold calling consistently if you're going to get good at it, and it doesn't take that much time. I made a couple calls, got a person just on the first thing. This requires all the skeptics out there. A lot of people are skeptical about cold calling. They don't believe it works. Well, I just proved to you it works, and it works great. And it works so good that I could literally sit back in an hour's time and literally get $1,000 clients every single day if I wanted to, okay? Because a lot of people aren't doing it. Everybody's online, so it leaves the playing field for myself and you to pick up that phone and make money, okay? Plain and simple. This is what we do. So if you guys want the blueprint, you want the scripts, you want the rebuttals, you want to look at the presentation that I'm sending, invest in yourself, click the link in the description, sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. Comes with all the bells and whistles that you need to start picking up this phone, getting confidence, okay, and making money. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not in front of business owners every single day, you're not going to get clients. You have to dialogue. You have to present your services consistently. And the person that present their information the most to the marketplace will make the most money. If you're doing 2 exposures a day, okay, or 3, meaning you're getting 3 emails and you're emailing them some information and you're in front of them, you're going to build a $100,000 a year social media marketing agency. Plain and simple is what I did. That's how I was able to build a 6-figure agency, a multiple 6-figure agency, because I've been doing this for years, and I always make 100 G's a year. It's easy, okay? Once you get good at it. So if you guys want to copy that, you want to work with me, you want me to show you the ropes, click the link in the description. You can also sign up for some coaching, and I'll help you guys craft your skills so that you can start making money, all right? So comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about this. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And we're going to keep doing this, okay? We're going to take this thing to the next level. I want to help as many people as I can earn 6 figures by picking up this simple thing and making calls. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. And don't forget to pick up that phone, okay? Don't watch all these videos, okay? And don't do nothing, okay? Invest in the course, get the scripts, and start making money, okay? That's all you got to do. If you do that, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to have success. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.